In today's video, I'm going to teach you use Shift+D standard duplicate. This is one of the fastest, most reliable ways to create copies of objects while you're working. Think of it as a quick cloning tool that keeps your original in place and gives you a new object you can position right away. It's simple, predictable, and perfect for building up scenes without breaking your flow. Here's how it works. With an object active in your scene, press Shift+D on your keyboard. The moment you do, a new copy is created and you'll see it immediately follow your cursor. You haven't committed to a position yet, you're in move mode automatically, which means you can preview where the duplicate will go just by moving your mouse around. As the duplicate follows your cursor, take a second to look closely at what's changing. The original stays exactly where it was, the copy is the one moving with you. This is helpful for quickly laying out patterns, filling in details, or blocking out ideas without disturbing anything you've already placed. When you're happy with the location, confirm the placement with a left click. That single click tells the software, yes, place the duplicate right here. After you confirm, you have two separate objects, the original and the new one you just positioned. They're independent of each other, so edits to one won't automatically change the other, and they both keep the same visual properties and transforms from the moment of duplication. A couple of practical notes while you do this. Because the duplicate starts in move mode, take a breath and place it deliberately. If you're arranging several copies, it can help to duplicate once, place it cleanly with a left click, and then repeat the process for additional copies. This keeps your layout tidy and reduces accidental offsets. Remember, the duplicate inherits the original's scale, rotation, and materials, which is great for consistency. You can always adjust those details after placement using your usual transform tools, so don't feel pressured to make everything perfect the instant you duplicate. You can use this same approach for many kinds of objects, like meshes, lights, or cameras. The behavior is consistent. Shift+D creates the copy, your mouse positions it, and a left click confirms it. That's all there is to it. Press Shift+D to duplicate, move your mouse to place, and left click to confirm. Master this simple flow and you'll move faster and build scenes with confidence.